Today I'm going to make a ping pong table with cheap lumber and 3D printed supports. So after much planning, 3D printing, modeling, etc., I cut these to 2.5 minus a ½ inch to accommodate for the OSB. Then I've got these side supports. Got a couple more printing over there. That'll be kind of on the middle. But other than that, it's almost ready to be painted and stuff, attached on and painted. I'm gonna have to cut these down a little bit. Basically, I cut these to 4x4, 4x5, and then one foot slits in the middle. So it'll have, if it's got a gap, it'll be in the middle where it's not played as much. I'm pretty excited how it's gonna work out. You know, I wasn't sure, but I did test it on the prototype mini table. And yeah, so I just need to paint it, bolt it down, and I should have a ping pong table. All right, that piece is nicely chamfered. Perhaps that'll lead to arguments in the future, but I'm sure we'll come up with some sort of house rule for it. Once those are done, I can get the frame together and then I guess paint it with some urethane so it won't expand in the humidity so much. All right, so I've got all the screw supports and the ends screwed together. So now I need to go ahead and staple it and then figure out how to turn it over sometime. Might need some help with that. But yeah, it's progressing pretty well. All right, well, so after some struggle, we got this right side up. However, you can notice here, it's a bit of a gap. So what I'm gonna try to do is put this down here and then glue it on the bottom and see if that'll get it there. I don't know if that'll work or not. So I put on a single coat of paint on this, and I did notice some of the stuff on the OSB, it kind of started delaminating in some places. So I popped those open, put some glue, also some sawdust on it and stuff. So anyway, hopefully that's mostly fixed. I sanded it down before, and I'll sand it down a little bit now, put another coat of paint on it, and hopefully be just about done. Well, now this had a chance to dry, it looks really good. I'm really looking forward to getting out on the porch and trying it out. So hopefully it'll play as good as it looks. Obviously it's not entirely smooth, but hopefully it'll be close enough to do pretty well. Forward. Turn. Forward. And there it is in position. Looks very nice. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this, except if I shake it like this, it goes back and forth a little bit. Although this way, that way, not too bad. I cut out these supports, gonna clamp them to this, and then screw them down. So a bit more support in this. And it'll provide a little bit of support this way too, but not too much. Yeah, big improvement just with that. All right, supports are installed. Good there, and back there too. And yeah, it feels nice and solid. Not gonna fall down. So put these holders in, which so if you want to move it around, you can pick it up by that. Makes a nice, keeps people from having to lean on this or reach all the way under here. So there was a bit of a problem with these flopping over, so I made these 3D printed supports to put more pressure on it. It's right there. So that without it kind of tips over easily. But if you put this on it, more spring pressure, so it'll hold up a little bit better. So that worked out nicely. Could have used some sort of block or something, but got a 3D printer, why not use it? Yeah, pretty happy with how this turned out. If I did this over again, I would probably use particle board or plywood for a better play surface. I used OSB to save on costs, but at the end of the day, I don't think that was the right choice. I would also consider assembling the top after flipping the support structure, and certainly recruiting more help with the table's reorientation. While there's an occasional weird bounce, it plays sufficiently well for casual competition. Also, the green color and painted on lines give it an excellent look, plus the extra tabs seem to be an overall positive. While I maybe saved a small amount of money versus buying it, it's still very cool to have a table that's all my own.
I'm just gonna take that down.
All right. Thanks so much for watching. This is Jeremy Cook, signing off.